Dahil solo? Yes, no? Maybe.
For Queen Azara!
Have a cauldron. Ano na lang? Tawag doon? Sa trade na lang.
Your old lives, your mortal desires mean nothing. You are
Okay.
outcasts of
Ikaw
the
magbaba ng
Bastion,
cauldron.
and you will serve the cause without question.
Oh, big time na si Sir ngayon.
It's glorious to
Mhm.
die in
Parang kailan
Master's
lang.
service.
Walang pang repair ah.
Big time.
Bongs, ikaw muna mag-handle ah.
Sige lang.
Eh bakit kay Tinchi Winchi napapunta ang lintik na lidyo? Sa iyo ko pinapasa.
Wait lang. Hindi lang mag-reload lang ako.
Demote mo na lang si Tinchi Winchi. Ang assist. Promise Bongs, hindi ko na iharap sa'yo.
Hindi makaano yung iba sa Discord channel pa rin yata.
Go
Yeah,
to
I think-
launch.
How many? I think kompleto na.
Baliktad ata, Pongs.
Nakataligod si Pongs eh.
Left ng boss.
Okay.
Yeah, right hand side of course.
Basta, poison to green, frost to blue. First overflow, frost to purple, poison to orange, spears at star. The rest is history. Shit, na off-raid check.
Baka dahil wala nag-int. Or...
Oo ko, unless bigla akong nag-lag dun sa timers ko, may 7 seconds pa tayo to interrupt. I mean, not 7, 5 seconds pa tayo to interrupt.
Enraged Gale.
And rage skill buffet.
Yeah, just
Missing
move.
this yun.
Let's go.
5. My mana is 4. 3.
Oh my god, no.
Alam mo eh.
I'm so good. Ay, nako. Second time.
Dodge tornado, boys.
Last time it was Felder.
4. 3. 2. 1.
Beware. 2, 1. Power overwhelming!
Four, 3, 2, 1.
Beware. 2, 1. Power overwhelming!
4, 3, 2, 1.
Beware.
Don't trigger any other orbs, please.
Overwhelming! Beware. Escape!
Just trigger one. Be patient on the tornado.
Interrupt me. Behind the ad.
Spell.
Buffet. Dragging back to mid.
4, 3, 2, 1. Four,
I got the boss.
3, 2, 1.
4, 3,
Power
2,
overwhelming! Beware.
Everyone move left side. The tornado's coming up.
4,
Move left.
3,
4,
2,
3,
1.
2.
Go pass through the tornado. Dispel those. Everyone move left.
Four, 3, 2, 1.
4. Beware.
Just
2.
tornado.
1.
Power overwhelming!
4, 3, 2, 1.
4.
Beware.
2. 1.
Power overwhelming!
So,
4, 3, 2, 1.
Beware.
starting spot.
4.
By trigger 1.
2. 1.
Power overwhelming!
God damn it.
Beware.
Closes in!
Dodge tornadoes.
The fuck? Ba't ang tinamaan nun?
Dodge tornado, guys. 5 seconds, focus power. Go, go, go.
Interrupting, dragging. Just be behind boss. Gale Buffet. Going back to mid.
4.
3 bad. I got the boss. 3
4.
bad.
3. 2. 1.
4, 3,
Power
2,
overwhelming!
One.
Beware.
Don't step on the runes. No. Kill boss.
4.
My life for Azara!
Wow!
Wow.
My speed!
Which side nga yung clear natin? Sa left or right?
Left side.
Oh, crap.
Not that side.
Alright. That's right again.
Right. May pambagi ka na po.
May pambili na ako.
2K at a time.
2k residuum per D.
Yeah, for 430.
Okay. Yeah, someone click the shield and then
Mix, balik ka naman, Mix, oh. Yo, Mix, turn around. Ayaw. Paklik
Sure
naman na
got
sa taas, oh.
yeah.
Nandiyan pala si Siri, never mind.
I need to get closer. It's too far away.
The barrier has fallen.
We had a deal,
Let us see
Azara.
how brave
Give me
Ashvane
the
is
power
without a
you
magical
promised.
shield to protect her.
Oh, I intend to. I
I'm
merely
lagging.
wanted our guests to bear witness to your
2:30 AM is ako
glorious
ngayon.
ascension.
No! Not
Not like this! What
Are you doing to me?
You
Kailan
must be
release ng classic?
powerful,
By the way?
Priscilla.
27.
Consider our bargain complete.
Next Tuesday.
Same account, right? Can do it with the same account.
Mm-hmm.
Yep, it's free.
It's free. For active subscribers.
Okay.
I'm out of range.
How do you want to do this box?
Same old, same old.
Same old, same old. I'll handle the briny. You take care of the thingy. As Arcane Azra.
Mm. Yung walang need, baka pwedeng pa-urchin naman dyan.
Oh, right. Sorry. Is there a DPS trinket here?
Yeah, the urchin.
5, 4,
The what?
2, 1.
I'll expect to ult on that. For Bonky Boy.
Pwede rin yung Razor Coral.
Razor
Pwede rin yung
Coral?
DPS 1. Yeah, the DPS 1 actually is better.
Okay. Soak, bubbles. Soak the bubble. Soak the bubble.
Briny Bubble in 5.
Bubble on me. Stack on me.
Briny Bubble stack on blood side.
Feed the depths.
Tuning this.
4, 3, 2, 1.
So okay, let's go wild. Bloodlust go. Marking Azurite, red.
3,
Wait
2,
yung labas.
Azurite is mine to wield.
Azurite sound. Briny Bubble.
Briny Bubble in 5. Break the remaining coral after.
Briny Bubble.
Wanted.
Immune it if you can. Bring boss to bubble. Dito lang box tayo mag-ano.
Bubble.
3,
This is the only chance we can break the boss bubble. Briny Bubble.
Bubble.
Break the coral. Ang daan naman.
Break the coral.
May naiwang isa.
2, 1.
Oh crap.
You should have killed me when you had the chance.
Moving boss. Coral coming in. Ready to soak people.
4, 3,
Briny Bubble.
1.
Not yet Barnacle, one more Barnacle. Soaks. Okay, next will be Briny Bubble. Briny Bubble.
2, 1. Your corpses will
Briny
feed
Bubble.
the depths.
4, 3,
Rippling wave ready to soak.
1.
Read those people. Soak first before bubbles. Okay, DPS bubble. Soak.
Die, vermin.
Watch the swirls, Don't get hit by the swirl.
3, 2, 1.
Rippling
I
wave
got
soak.
Coming bubble.
Your corpse
Briny bubble.
dead.
have a revival. Just letting you know.
Rival now. Kill this bubble, kill this bubble. Right. Okay, Arcing Azerite then. Arcing Azerite.
One.
Azerite is mine to wield.
Build those Get them all. Next is bubbles, briny bubble.
4, 3, 2, 1. Your corpses will feed the depths.
Immunity if you can. Okay, DPS down, bubble. Hurry up, guys.
3, 2,
Arcing
1.
Azerite.
Screw the Azerite, just
Destroy.
farm him, I say.
Yeah, kill boss, just kill boss. Just don't annihilate anyone else.
4, 3, 2,
I was looking at the coral.
I figured, I just saw 4 million health, and I'm like, that's nothing.
Ah, no. Oh, no. That's
Nice, scratch on the wrist. That's so good.
Grabe siya.
don't so, man, don't.
Good. You arrived just in time to welcome these little ones into my service.
We cannot allow these creatures to hatch. They will overrun the surface.
Sino first tank?
5, 4, 3,
Claire, Bart
Two.
now.
1.
I will break you.
Primal Rage.
4, 3,
Oh yeah.
1.
Oh no, oh no.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Dance. Let's dance. Don't get hit, huh? Here, stop getting hit. Right, switch now.
Taunting.
Will end. Put these ants down. Now DPS on this. Take too long.
Naka-6 kasi tayo. Yung kulang lang ito so
3, 2, 1.
Ah, anim?
Write it down. I hope it will work for the exchange.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Hindi man yun so the ads.
2, 1.
nababubble off ba to?
19 seconds, probably hindi. Who wants the ads for the hop tag? 7 seconds. Ads guys, let's do that. Okay, now we can switch. What the fuck? Okay, ads. Okay, we're good. Careful, careful. Don't pop any exact or swirls.
Interrupts off.
Oh, yeah. What's your bets? Not interrupt the box. Wipe the whole way. Oh, I'm dead. Claire, can you reach me? Or Kirsa?
Pabira si Dread.
Okay, rest now.
No.
Okay,
Sarap
wait.
in 3, 2,
4,
1.
Come on, Kirsa, come on. Good. Rats.
Tapos. Kailangan mo.
Paano mag-swirl?
4, 3, 2, 1.
Beware.
Dance.
I will break you.
Coming ads. Ignore ads. Ignore this ignore.
Taunting boss.
Yeah.
3, 2, 1.
Inkpot,
Nice,
inkpot.
man.
Creepy inkpot. Ow!
God damn it, Mario.
Why does it always have to be Mario? Every effing time.
Bonus roll time.
So let's go. Where's my world veins? Oh, yeah.
I should be cross over your brutal attacks upon my
Oh,
underlings,
shit.
but I must
It's
admit,
not gonna look
Oy,
it's splendid entertainment.
nadaghan kayo dong.
Perhaps he was right after all. You do show
Bubble
great
bucket.
potential.
okay.
Enough games, Ajara. This shall be the final day of your twisted reign.
I have my own bubble, man. OP. OP bubble. Azerite na SM. Ah, never mind. Just jump na dito. Might as well jump.
And
My loyal
One patrol,
servants,
diba?
great our guests.
It's fine.
After all, they
I
traveled
thought we were
such a
going to
long
aggro
way to pay
the
us a
rest if
visit.
we. Anyway.
Yeah, just this two. Sige pala yung patrol. Ina-activate yung... Where's the... Aura of Sam. Kill Scar. No healing received for this. Briny bubble.
My subjects seldom face a true challenge. You will try to provide them with one,
Sad.
won't you? proven entertaining so far. Now it is time for the real show to
Okay,
begin.
let's take a break.
Dito yung tank drink, no?
Hmm.
Stonks. Pero parang happy na
Edicts
rin
of
ako dun
Lupin.
sa...
Ang ano lang, ang okay lang sa akin dito kasi ano eh, siya yung nagbibigay ng magic damage mitigation.
Ah, ito parang... Oh, every 40 seconds. Every 40 second absorb. Tapos... Up to 120. Pero actually kasi yung... Ah, hindi. Wala pala ibang trinket dito.
Yun lang talaga yun. Pwede mo kasi siya i-switch into magic damage, absorb shield. Yun talaga yung kulang.
Hmm. Anyway, sige. Magta-tank spec ako.
I mean, yes, pwede ako mag-blessing ng spell warding. Pero, di ba, one cooldown yun. And then this is another.
Why waste the talent? Ito pwede.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You know what they say about
Hello, hello.
Sorry.
Let's go. I'll be marking where to place the frenetic charge.
chugga 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 choo choo.
Marking it as
4,
X
3, 2, 1.
plus range on Pashmar, melee on Silva. Sparks. Purple first.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Pageant grows tired.
Soaps, range soaps. Don't forget the soap. AoE damage. Soaps again.
Ready to swap? Swapping.
Something. It's the last one. Do you lose red? First charge will be on X. First charge will be on X. If you get targeted, move to X.
2,
Melee soap with a soap X.
I command
Get
you
casted.
to provide more.
X now. Soaking. Oh, soloing. Ready. Outburn.
I shall strike you down.
Next frenetic charge on X. It can be solo. Call it up.
Counting.
3,
Counting.
2, 1.
Degree. Standalone.
Or such
Frenetic charge coming up on X. Favor X, guys. It's on dry. Soak it with dry.
Go to X, go to X, go to X.
Go to X, go to X. Get the
AoE coming.
AoE coming out. Swell.
I shall strike
4,
Next charge. On X, huh? On X.
1.
I am weary of this farce. Obey my edict
Ready
or
to swap?
suffer the consequences.
Swapping.
Charge on X. Melee.
We.
Zealous. Please stop tunneling balls. Do the fucking mechanics. I don't care if it's a DPS slot. Just do it.
Four, three,
Charge on X.
2, 1.
I am weary of this farce. Obey my edicts or suffer the consequences.
Charge on X. First run. Little bit done now. Spark.
Counter.
Get the hole with the sparks. Incoming soaks, huh? Soaks. Range, red.
4, 3, 2.
Frenetic charge on
I
X.
am weary of this farce. Obey my edicts or suffer the consequences.
Okay. Incoming AoE. Leech on X.
Soak with him, soak with him.
Good.
Ready AoE damage, part of
Soak. Bring.
swap tayo.
Ready to taunt. Hunting. Zealous. Ready.
4, 3, 2, 1.
I am weary of this farce. Obey my edicts or suffer the consequences.
Okay, ignore me. Last charge on X. Early on X. Come here. Stop. Lord.
More damage on
Kill
Pashmar.
Pashmar. Before the outburst. Fall on Pashmar.
You show such heart.
No, pare.
Preparations are nearly complete. I await your arrival below.
Oh shit, we don't have a rope.
No, we don't.
So we're gonna clear ads. It's gonna aggro.
I'm
I
prison sana, pero anyway.
Wala.
Yeah, it's aggro. Everyone back. Let's clear this out. This is Dread, I think. One at a time. Spell 1. Spell dock. Up. Kill Skull. Kill up. Spell 1. Stop. Very good.
Submit to the whispers.
Kill Skull. I think this is Bottle. The Nightmares. What's the Nightmares? Nightmares. The BG. Dread, one at a time. One more. What's the slam? Skull, people, skull, just skull. Skull. Heal up, heal up.
There is a presence here. Tendrils strangling my mind.
The locks weaken. The world
I have many wares. Wanderer.
N'Zoth rises once more.
Out there, Titan pillars and chains descending into darkness.
Jara wants us to see this. Why? Surely she knows we would never let that monster free.
There is no time to warn the others. We must end this, champions! Now!
Pasamon stone.
May ano ko na dito, Bonk yan. Chains.
Meron. Clicky.
So, Bry, Yuna, and Spectable. Delirium.
Meron ba may kailangan ng trinket dito? Vision of Demise, Chain, or Portal Key?
This is Sir, no?
If kailangan.
make it this now. Yeah, go this. Barrier, Aura Mastery, then
Not enough mana.
Sino yung may ni Beaconator?
Orchid 1.
Oh.
Sir, take care of the two yung cover mo yung first dread and second dread. Aura Mastery will be called out na lang for the
Okay.
Manic dread. First Manic dread probably. Tranquility, okay. Filler mo na lamang yan on during the first one. Everyone will be on a TPS. Reloading done. Or second one, rather second. Kahit as backup na lang in case na magkaroon ng trouble on the ramp up niya. Ni Dread, okay. AM will be reserved for first Manic. We'll be getting 5. Hysteria, Lordy. No, what to do? Same thing as usual, guys. We need the extra tick healer. The extra tick one. Tranquility. Healing buff, I guess. Oh, healing buff. Di ka na superstar, ate guy. Yep. Pre-salvation probably on the second panic. By that time, what should be dead. Oh, Inspectable, DC.
Last is again sa no?
Yeah, first
break.
first eruption.
Eruption.
DCC
I don't have a
Lamix.
target.
Okay.
Siya pwede rin sa tanking pala tong Vision of Demise.
Friday.
Sorry.
Friday, we're gonna go straight to Mythic,
5, 4,
including second and third boss. Behemoth and Radiant. Stack up, guys. Stack up. Coming first threat. Too early for the barrier. Spell. Okay. Summoners, switch now. Everyone switch. Stop on boss. 87%. Build the summoner. Tentacle. It's on blue.
Nasa kabilang
Leave
side.
down vision. Okay, go. Timing's way wrong. Is it not stepping? Tentacle. Okay, last tentacle is on X, near X. We're safe, we're safe. Coming nightmares. Nightmares out. Boss a bit. Delirium, first set. Here we go. First Delirium, Rai, Yuna, and Spectre. Did I see a mount to actually got it? This is Dread. Look it up. Adding eruption. Tentacle, watch out. Ignore delirium this time. 52 or 53%. Up everyone na. Okay, Lorly. Okay, pushing boss. First summoner to get it. There you go. We got a good facing.
Champions, I will hold up with the
Up
portal to
everyone
reality
up.
for as long as I can.
Heal or heal tanks. 7 seconds on our hysteria. Okay, summoner, closest summoner, we're getting inside. Get inside the portal now.
None can escape Isolde's grasp.
Kill the summoners. Everyone scatter. Summoners go. Adding eruption. Panic Dread. This is AM. Next summoner. What's the tentacle? What's the tentacle? Tentacle gone. Eruption. Facing bot. Stay here. Ready incoming. Also, okay, move out. Everyone move out. Go, Fox.
Beware.
Portal, guys. Portal. Tentacle is on move. Effective mode. Get up. Keep your soul down. Okay, ignore portal. Just DPS boss, DPS boss. Bombs, here we go. Bubble. Taunting. Getting inside. Tentacle, watch out. We're getting in.
Yep, masok na.
Madami, get in also. Eruption.
Beware.
Stun the boss. DPS boss. Spot out.
Tentacle at star.
You know what Beer is using?
Or just annihilate the bottom. Good job.
Will
How did you
Nicely
and Lordy
done.
died? Even
It is
Spectre.
so rare for mortals
I did
to
too.
exceed my expectations.
Oh.
If only your friends had been as capable.
Okay.
Oh, you got
That
the pet.
human novice.
Pet.
A pale elf with the sword. Ah well. Acceptable losses.
Kailangan mo ba na?
Liar!
Of course!
Now, is
I
that
need him.
any way to repay me for my generosity?
Strad, I
For
thought
For
we
the
had this talk.
privilege
We
I
can't
have
trust
seen
you.
fit
That's
to grant you.
Oh.
Come, heroes. Prove yourselves worthy. Find me in the circle of stars.
Sige lang, sige. Try to plan it ahead na yung... You have the ramp up timer naman. Try to update your ramp up time.
so. Are we gonna one-shot Azara?
Probably. We'll do the burn strat. The same. We'll just ignore all the Naga. And kill the boss. Straight bloodlust on boss before the
Nelly
first
deals for a
detonation
friend.
of the second. Last phase? Probably. Oh, wait. Okay, good. Kala ko we're gonna run this with 5 healers. Balita ko, nagtatay ng token to si Orki para lang sa successfully getting the fund.
Summon stone.
Summoning stone, please. Luffy. Summoning again. Is it, Bryce, is it the right spot? Or is it too close?
No, those are fun.
So the only thing we're gonna change is ignore the. Probably we have the DPS to burn it down. So ignore the Naga on X. Just ignore it. We pop lust. Start.
So we're ignoring the Venom chick?
Which one? Oh, come again, Bry?
I said, are we ignoring that Venom Naga?
Yeah, we're ignoring it. We're totally ignoring it. Just kill them. Just cleave down the Myrmidon. Sama Dosikai. DPS Dosikai. Pa-invite sila ka show. Okay, first bait is on star, second bait on orange. Then we'll be moving the boss towards the center. That's for the last phase. Oh shit, the soaking. Wait. Cancel.
I need buffs too.
Debuff.
Yeah, rebuffs please. Claire.
Give me 1 minute on cooldowns, yeah? I burned him trying to kill Yuna and the raid turned on me.
I am still fixing the note.
Yeah, why would you guys defend Yuna?
I don't know about them. Ashwana, who else is not to know? Nasaan si Francesca?
Come to me, serpent! Together, we will destroy these intruders!
Did I got all the DPS except for the healers?
Look. Ah, wala ka.
Okay. Good.
buff.
Hang on. Wait till Yuna gets here. Okay, buff up, buff up. Let's kill this. One shot, boys. One shot. Hopefully.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 4, 3, 2, 1.
I call the cursed lovers to enter the stage. Their eyes long for one another, yet their gaze incurs calamity. Silverus, be gone from my gaze!
Leave my kin, Aethanel. I hope to never glance at you again.
There is no power I cannot
Coming
defy.
hold.
Binding.
Binding shot.
Ready to swap.
I cannot bear the Aethanel. I hope to never glance at you again.
Kill the hold. Let it cast. And it casted once.
You are
It's gonna cast twice.
Again.
Oh my god.
Pwede na.
Okay. 40 plus guys.
Around C. Soak.
Bubble. Do the bubble.
I need you.
Tyrannos needs to die. Okay, spread out. Victor decrease.
You've grown complacent. Allow me to liven the field.
Solo soaking. Group soak. Group soak. Full near. There's one in front of you, man. Heal up. Heal tincture. Heal lakas mana. Up everyone up. Start soaking.
Next.
Delete.
Kneel before your queen.
Back on out.
Taunting.
Yuna, Tana. Then Aidara and Selective.
Ads.
Oh, who the... Die.
Heart soon to be broken.
Was that a ring of peace? Soak sa group.
Reverse at ulti.
After the...
5, 4,
Detonation in 3.
3, 2, 1.
Arcane destruction!
Soak middle.
Taunting going out of.
From darkness, sirens come forth! Coax the power from these ancient lords! Rattle the chains that bind
Watch your
him!
degrees,
Degrees, what?
Ajara is drawing upon the heart of Azeroth, feeding its energies
Need
into
the solos.
her ritual.
One more solo soul. One more solo soul.
Got it.
One more solo soul. Another soul.
The bot.
Okay, last.
According to mine.
Taunting mo.
That lumbering dwarf
Ignore Venom na.
Azeroth by empowering your shining
Die.
the gift of
What is...
Yes. A titan's heart was exactly what was needed.
What was that?
Heal the world, but to shatter the prison of a god. Such delicious.
Detonation.
The diamond king has been laid upon.
5,
Power up the
3,
power up X.
The Black Empire rises, and the world awaits its true
Something to me then.
queen.
There will be no coronation this day. Callisto, aid me!
This is not good. Who was that? Who pushed the ants in the middle?
To be trapped, Ajara!
He was wrong. You have proven yourselves unworthy.
I have many lucky doos now, you
Tinatiming ko
like.
pa. Ikaw mag-alala. I hit my part.
Many deals for
Eh, ay naku, Chi. Alam ko na yung strat na yan. Still observing you stuff. Priority group, so one green, solo, so one moon. There's always an arcane bomb in those spots.
Solo soak moon. Ah, okay.
Yeah.
Group soak green.
Just adjust na lang. Adjust accordingly.
Anong nangyari pala dun sa binding dun sa ano? Hindi kumagat or something?
Nag-ano siya, natamaan siya, biglang nawala.
Baka
Nakita ko yung-
early.
Nakita ko yung buff nung ano eh, nung binding shot eh.
May possibility ba yan na maunahan ng warrior charge?
Possible. Actually. 1 CC lang pwede.
Oh, any slow, any stun. Don't do it
Pakiano,
the whole.
pakiantay
Only
yung
binding siya pa.
binding.
Only binding.
Yeah.
Nakakarot ba ang charge?
Yeah, may
Wow.
spec. May
4,
spec na ganun.
3,
Late
2,
ako nakapag-charge kanina.
4,
Don't charge.
1.
I call the
Don't charge
curtain
me.
you enter the stage.
Negate naman.
Yet their gaze endures calamity.
Be gone from my gaze!
There is no power I cannot defy.
Coming Hulk in 5 seconds.
Binded.
Ready, Pompey?
Ready? Going?
Karan.
I cannot bear the sight of you. Be
Yeah.
gone.
You
I
are
hope to never glance at
mine.
you again.
Did it go? Cast.
1.
Joining in 3, 2, 1. Okay, Pompey, you're flip. If you got the bacon, stay
Kill the
away from
bubble.
the middle. Just move down. That area.
I need you. Show yourself.
Party fort.
Take Siranis. Come on, burn. 2 seconds and fuck. Hulk coming up.
You've grown complacent.
Kill Hulk.
Allow me to liven the field.
So. It says no soak, just group. No soak, just group. Who's that?
I draw this ward with devoted blood. Given willingly from a champion's frozen heart.
Next.
Kneel before your queen.
Coming at. Guess na dami. Stun.
Another heart soon to be
Tester
broken.
Kuchi, get in. Lakashman as well. Get in the middle. Hurry up. Deplete that down.
Reversal coming.
Person.
5, 4,
It's on
Arcane in
X.
3. Arcane in 3.
2, 1.
Arcane detonation. Pumping. Keep on charging. Healers on middle. Charge middle. Fully charge it.
Moving out of middle. Continues.
Full charge. Ichi on middle now.
Sirens, come forth!
Orky middle.
Coax the power
Ready,
from
Vicky?
these ancient wards.
Okay.
Rattle the chains that bind
Keep on
him.
DPSing Aja. Push DPS. Decrease coming.
Azara is drawing upon the heart of Azeroth,
Solo
feeding
soaking.
its energies into her
Soak
ritual.
group. Stay away from me. Soak this
You've
group.
only just come
There
to
are
this
2 groups.
First Arcanist indeed. Champions,
See the
stop
truth
her!
now, don't you, heroes? Every
Sorry, Lemings, kailangan ko mag-soak yung
according to my will. That
Ay, is the Myrmidon? Oh shit.
Save Azeroth by empowering your heart.
Dust.
The gift of a sleeping titan.
Ignore Venom.
A titan's heart was exactly what was needed. Not to heal the world, but to shatter the prison of a god. Delicious irony. The Diamond King has been made a pawn.
5, 4,
The ritual nears completion.
2,
The Black Empire
Reversal.
And the world awaits its true queen.
That's
There will be no coronation this day. Lovers' hearts
get to depleted ward.
asunder. Devoted blood
Wala.
spilled freely upon the sand. The song
Okay,
of the
dating
deep
on star.
rings to call him forth.
Healer stop up. Stop everyone now. Star pumping. Pila.
Aqua Darkness.
Commanding shout.
Done.
Lasers. Something. We have a depleted one.
Caught me off guard. Fair enough. But you, Master Tears, he was wrong. You have proven yourselves unworthy.
Let's go back to an original strat. Burn Naga. Burn the Naga.
Battle shot, please. Thank you.
Don't forget to power up the
5,
yellow ward
4, 3,
during Naga.
2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I call the cursed lovers to enter the stage. Their eyes long for one another, yet their gaze turns calamity.
Sirens! Be gone from my gaze!
Coming home. 5 seconds.
There is no
3,
power
2,
I cannot
1.
defile.
Kill. Ready to switch.
Leave my cat, Athanel! I hope to never glance at you again!
Ubus yung bone shield. Okay, we're good. Okay, come.
You've grown complacent.
Soaking this orb.
The field.
Great.
I need
Long.
Show yourself!
Our DPS guy. Okay, good. Okay, prepare, Moon for solo soak, green for group soak.
Allow me to liven the field.
Keep on moving if you haven't.
I need somebody to to stand with me near green.
Near green.
Thank you, Torben.
I draw this ward with devoted blood. Given willingly from a champion's frozen heart.
Get Lordy up. Gonna matay dyan.
Next.
Kneel before your queen.
Next will be Yuna, then Tana, Kester.
That's coming.
Kester, Pucci, get in. Lakash, Monkey, get in. Middle,
Reversal. Detonation in 5.
4, 3,
5 stacks.
2,
Detonation.
1.
Next will be Doc, Vinci, and Gulnir in the middle. Charge it up. Vinci, Gulnir,
Moving away.
From darkness,
Vinci even here.
come forth! Coax the power from these ancient wards. Rattle the chains that bind him.
Decrease. Pay attention.
Azara is drawing upon the heart of Azeroth, feeding its energies into her ritual.
Soak.
Stack soak on me. Stack soak on me.
First Arcanist in
One soak with Torrent. Torrent
So-
kunin mo ako na. Mirmi to.
Don't you
Igot mo yun.
heroes?
Baka ako.
Every move you've made has been according
Okay, position.
to my will. That lumbering dwarf believed you could save Azeroth by empowering your shining
Kill the Naga now.
of a sleeping
Going back to the
titan.
original strat. Kill the Naga, burn the Naga.
A titan's
Leech
heart
Yuna, Bry. Start charging.
not to heal the world, but to
Zara.
shatter the prison of a god.
Spear.
Detonation. High.
Detonation high.
The diamond king has been made a
Nothing a shot.
5, 4,
Tana, get in.
The Black Empire rises, and the world awaits its true queen.
Kill the Naga. Orky, get in. Spectacle, get in.
Callista, aid me! Together we can hold her here!
Kill the Naga.
You will know what it means to be trapped, Azara!
Dudai, get in.
I am Azara! I was destined to rule! No force can bind me!
Champion.
Bubble off.
Bait.
Ayaw.
Bait on star. Bait on star. Bait on star. Beacon.
We cannot abide weakness.
Charge. Doc. Charge. Everyone who doesn't have a stack, charge the yellow.
Split asunder! Devoted blood spilled freely upon the sand! The song of the deep rings to call him!
Makuha nitong Myrmidon. Leave the Myrmidon, ha? Popping, ready? Move to safe spot. Popping again. Another one. Popping. Okay, we're good. Waiting. Coming the teams. Teams, watch out. One beam. Heal up. Getting cool down. Tranquility go. Moving boss.
Yeah, mag-virus.
But you,
The
Mr.
virus, virus, DPS.
This may not be the end.
Wala ko, di na. Ubus na.
I know your dreams. Your lust for power. The hunger with which you pursue yourself was wrong. You have proven yourselves unworthy.
I have many, many wares.
Let's go.
Five, four, three, two, one. 4, 3, 2, 1.
I call the cursed lovers to enter the stage. Their eyes long for one another, yet their gaze endures calamity.
Silvers! Be gone from my gaze! I cannot bear the sight of you! Be gone! Akenel, I hope to never glance at you again!
There is no power I cannot defile.
Hulk. Okay. Kill Hulk.
Hey, you
Switch
just Hulk?
now.
I cannot bear the sight! Akenel, I hope to never glance at you again!
4, 3, 2, 1. Okay pong. Coming Arcane Orb. So in this one.
I need you! Show yourself!
Yeah. They spread.
You've grown complacent.
Priority, your decrease. Soap orb on green. Soap orb on green. Soap with me. Set back. Summon solo soap. Wait, decrease stacks, number of stacks. Some mix, kill mix.
Next.
Kneel before your queen.
Funding?
Back. Soak.
60.
Another heart soon to be broken.
Next.
greatness.
Reverse out yung
We were good.
4,
yung 3.
3, 2,
Detonation incoming.
Taste of my power!
After detonation, healers soak it. Healers soak. All healers soak. Pump it up. Orky get in. Doctrix get in.
Moving boss a little. 60%.
Powered up.
Sirens, come forth!
Ulnir get in.
Coax the power from these ancient wards. Rattle the chains that bind
Get out of
him.
there, Ulnir. Get out, get out. Okay, decrease, decrease.
Drawing upon the heart of Azeroth,
Decrease.
feeding its energies into her ritual.
You've only just come to this realization. First, Arcanist.
I got the queen.
You see the truth now, don't you, heroes? Every move you've
Keep
made
everyone
has
alive.
been
Lordly,
according to
pop your
mine.
heals on yourself. GS yourself, if possible.
Believed you could save Azeroth by empowering your shining little hand.
Konti na siya.
Of a sleeping titan.
Build the Venom Talk. Warlock Soak, Tinchy Winchy Soak X. Go, 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 go.
Was needed. Not to heal the world, but to shatter the prison of a god.
Soak X, guys. We're losing it. We're losing power.
Hindi siya may...
We're dead.
4, 3, 2,
The Black Empire rises, and the world awaits its true queen.
There will be no coronation this day. Zalisra, aid me! Together we can hold her here! Now you will know what it means to be trapped, Ajara!
Just
I am Azara! I was destined to rule! No force can bind me!
How are we losing too many people on decrease?
You have proven yourselves unworthy.
Double check nga po son. Yung
I have
oras na
many
mga
lucky dues. You many deals for a friend of the Grummles, like you.
Makikita yun dito sa RT, di ba? Get those weak auras, please. Do what they say what you need to do. Buff for Just to make it clear, kill Venom Tank. Kill the add-on X. Let's go.
Five, four, three, two, one. 4, 3, 2, 1.
I call the cursed lovers to enter the stage. Their eyes long for one another, yet their gaze incurs calamity.
Xerox! Be gone from my gaze!
There is no power I cannot defile.
Falcon fight. Ready to swap?
I cannot bear the sight of you! Hazel, I leave my kin!
Sa akin pa rin si Ethanel. Ito na si Ethanel.
Tangin na,
Si
nakontrol
Ethanel.
halt. Sorry.
Wah! Just wipe it up. Stay on. Puddles. Swirls. Get on the swirls. Just stay.
You have proven yourselves unworthy.
I have many.
Let's go.
Fort.
I need to target something
5,
first.
4, 3, 2, 1. 4, 3, 2, 1.
I call the cursed lovers to enter the stage. Their eyes long for one another, yet their gaze endures calamity.
Xerox! Be gone from my gaze!
Leave my kin, Ethanel! Ethanel, I hope to never glance at you again!
There is no power I cannot
Hold coming out.
defile.
Hold now. Monkey ready to switch.
Switching.
Leave my kin, Aethanel. Aethanel, I hope to never glance at you again.
You are mine.
Don't get caught by Bacon. We're good na. Pongi, get it here.
Something here.
Torment.
Better.
You've grown complacent.
Okay, decrease ah. Toki.
Need a solo soak.
Solo soak near moon, solo soak on moon, solo soak on
Got-
moon, solo soak on moon, solo soak on moon, solo soak on moon, solo soak on moon.
I draw this ward with devoted blood.
Heal up, heal up. Heal up, heal up, heal up, heal up.
Willingly from a
To be revival, revival it. Start soaking, start soaking. Focus on soaking. I want everyone to have 5 stats.
Kneel before your queen.
Sana.
Next. Hunting boss.
Dara next. Spectacle next.
Soon to be broken.
Keep it to 0. Keep it to 0. Reversal. Pucci next.
The wars bend to my will.
Reversal.
5,
Keep it charged.
Detonation in
Caster
3.
next.
2, 1.
Detonation 3.
Detonation. LOL. Taunting. Mix monkey. Get in middle. Charge it. Moving boss a bit. AS. Orky. Get in. Gulnir. Get in. Charge it. Fully charge it.
Moving boss. Wah! Late.
Coax the
Down.
power from these ancient wards.
Wards ready.
Pull the chains that bind
Remember,
him.
so. Decrease, focus on decrease.
Azara is drawing upon the heart of Azeroth, feeding its
Solo soak,
energy
please,
to the
soak.
ritual.
Taunting boss. Hear me, Don? Attack by Fox.
Don't you, heroes? Every move you've made has been according to my will.
Get you na up.
That lumbering dwarf believed you could save
Everyone
Azeroth
on
by
Venom Town.
empowering
DPS
her
Venom Town. I
Nothing.
don't care.
of a sleeping titan.
Just DPS Venom Town. Hurry up.
A titan's heart is
Get you up, get
exactly
you
what
up.
is needed. Not to heal the
I got him.
wound, but to shatter the prison of a god.
Boy, back on boss. Shielded. Detonation. LOS.
The diamond has been made.
Okay, back on Venom Town. Spear coming.
5,
The
4,
ritual
3,
Charge. Bry, Yuna, charge.
rises, and the world awaits its true
Boy, stop charging in. Kill Venom Town. Everyone kill
There will
Venom.
be no coronation
Azara.
this day. Zalisra, aid me! Together we can hold her here! Now you will know what it means to be trapped, Azara!
I am Azara! I was destined to rule! No force can bind me!
Bloodlust.
Champion, claim
Up,
victory.
everyone up. Okay, charge now, Tana, Monkey, and Nyx.
Lover's heart,
Charge up. Doc, Pucci, get in.
devoted blood, spilled freely upon the sand.
Overloading.
The
Charge it
song
up.
of the
Caster,
deep
get in.
rings to call
Nether
him
portal, ready.
blood.
Bait now, bait now. Caster, go back. Baiting. Pumping. Heal up. Respectable chart. Still yellow, ah. Dorley chart. Pumping. Heal up. Hellstones if needed. Deep. Ready. Watch out for beam. Just watch out for beam. Next overload. Ready to move to middle. Move now. Everyone move.
You caught me off guard. Fast.
Paton box. Paton.
But you must try to resign.
Charging. Healers. Heal up, heal up, heal up. One more.
The hunger with which you pursue.
Revival as soon as possible. Eh? Beam, 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 beam. Beam again.
Refuse. They are crushed beneath the tides.
Patay na ako ah. GS100, GS100.
Holy shit!
Wow.
That I-beam killed so many people, holy shit.
Stress. Let's get the loot and yeah. GG.
Congrats,
Oh, I
RP.
hate
Oh
you.
wow.
Give me that.
Oh,
You
wow.
already have one.
Why do I get pets?
Forever.
Why
To
do I
give-
get pets?
Graciously accepting pet donations.
Masteres, Masteres.
Dito pala yung release.
Anybody got the stuff?
She's sharing my stuff.
Oh.
Go and
Anyone
try.
else? Red. Bilis na, Lordy. Hindi ko pinapakinggan ng mga ito.
Ito naman yung ano eh.
Dito naman yun.
Oo.
Yan, dito yung spot.
Nakatakip. Sa akin kasi nakatakip yung bonus loot dun sa ano eh. I'm still thinking kung hindi ako maka-res.
Okay, Friday, Mythic. Mythic first to third boss as much as possible.
How generous.
Giro-roll pa ba ako? Hindi na.
Pero nag-iisip ako.
Saving it for Mythic.
Ako, sinave ko na eh.
Eh kasi
GG
meron ko na.
guys.
Tsaka,
Thanks for coming, thanks for coming.
Ganyan talaga pag dalawa na yung shoulders mo 445 dok.
ano ka eh. Dahil sa font of power mo, di ka maka-think straight. Zero. Shit, do I roll?
May
Do I
kwenta ba itong
roll?
pets na to?
Dok, wag na, wag ka na mag-roll.
Sige.
For the next week na lang.
Thank you.
Thank you for coming.